Hi, Dee Williams here. If you are looking to start your very own staffing business, or maybe you've already started your staffing business and you're trying to figure out what's wrong, you want to go back to the basics. You want to see, did I set this business up appropriately? Do I have all the things that I need in order to actually run this business? Not just run it, but set it up and be compliant from the very beginning. If that's the case, if you're in that situation, then I want to introduce you to a resource that will absolutely change your life. Curious to learn more? This is the HealthStaff Digital Startup Checklist. Okay, so let's talk about how you use this checklist. So first you have instructions, which I'm providing for you here as well. I want to let you know that this is your upper dashboard. Your upper dashboard allows you to see exactly how much of you're completed based on all of the categories below. But then each category is also structured in a way where you can see how much you've completed based on where you are in the setup process. Now, this is a master HealthStaff Digital Startup Checklist, and it has everything that you possibly need to understand whether or not you complete. So next, you're going to go to the HealthStaff Digital Startup Checklist dashboard. This is where you can see your completion based on the category that you're in, right? So whether you're completed, not completed, or it's not applicable to you, based on the category of the setup process, you will see the percentages there. And this gives you an overall view, just in a dashboard view. But let's go back to the checklist, because how you're going to use the checklist is you're going to go through and answer the questions, and then you're going to hit the checklist based on where you are with this. So for example, the first one is, did you start your website intake form? If you're one of my clients, you know what that is. If you're not, then you won't, and you'll hit not applicable. Do you have your business goals clearly defined? So that's something you need to complete, then you would add it there. Do you have your financial goals established? You would add that there. Do you have your budget established? You would add that there. Do you have your Microsoft or Google email? Yes. Do you have your cloud storage ready to use and set up? Well, it's there, but it's not fully set up. So, okay, you're doing a little bit of both. Have you chosen your company name? Yes. Do you have a tagline? Well, no, I don't have a tagline. Do you have a well-defined niche? Well, it's not well-defined. I have an idea. I don't know what a niche overview playbook is. No, I did not have a mission statement, a vision statement, values, philosophy, code, or theme. So already in this particular area, as you can see on the dashboard here, that the organizational design infrastructure, 25% not completed so far, 6.38% completed. Overall, 1.28% completed, 0% not completed. Not sure why that's not popping up. So we'll go back and look at that in a second, but you get it, the gist of where things are. 5%, there it is, 5% not completed. So there you have it. And this is what you would do through the rest of the setup, okay? And so this goes down, as you can see, it continues to scroll. And so, like, really quickly, let's just talk about the different areas that it's going to cover. So organizational design, infrastructure setup. This is the part where most people do not even pay attention to. But one of the most important pieces, and if you do it right from the beginning, then scaling your business later is going to be a breeze. Your external roles and responsibilities, documentation and onboarding, legality and licensure, branding and marketing, calendar management, candidate sourcing and talent attraction, lead generation, sales and business development, technology, finance and financial reporting, training and professional development, program audits and compliance review. And so all of these things are, all of these categories are important parts of setting up your business. And here we go through this checklist step by step to see where you are. And listen, when you get through this checklist and you start going through it and see, oh my gosh, Dee, I am really literally, I'm embarrassed. I thought I was, but I'm really not. Give me a call, okay? 866-432-8801. Let us help you. We have step-by-step process. We have all of the documentation already. You don't have to go pay for it. You don't have to create fake documents. You don't have to go and do anything like that. We already have them. We already have them set up. If your healthcare is JCO ready, and you are literally putting yourself in a position to win a lot faster. All right, get your business set up faster with more understanding of exactly what you need. So this is the HealthStaff Digital Startup Checklist. And this checklist is going to be a game changer for you and your business. Speed things up faster, get off the ground faster. With this checklist, it's a breeze. Get your copy, get your copy, get your copy now. Dive into this amazing resource. You won't regret it.